how to create Remitly account. Remitly account create. So if you want to actually create Remitly account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Remitly app. And this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Now let the app to load up first of all, and right here first of all you have to make sure to choose your language. So tap on the continue option, create a new profile, or I already have a profile. I already have a profile means you already must have an account, so you can tap on that. But since you're trying to create a new account, simply tap on create new profile. Select from which country you want to send to which country you would like to send to. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the little bit of a web version of the Remitly app inside the web browsing experience. Now all you have to do is just simply choose an email address that you want to use for your Remitly account. Then you need to choose a password and re-enter that password again. Tap on the sign up option and your Remitly account will get successfully created. This way you will be able to create a Remitly account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.